What's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is Guy Gets Kicked Out of Restaurant, Gets Angry. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about.
Police respond to a restaurant in Florida where a man is being trespassed for allegedly harassing women at the bar.
Okay, you're the owner?
Yeah.
Do you know his name or anything like that? Or?
Don't.
No?
We cashed him out. I asked him to leave. We sat at a table. Even people asked him to leave. I'm like, they're eating. Can you leave? And he's still here. I even told him I called you.
Yeah.
He's still hanging out.
Do you want him trespassed or you just want him gone?
I just want him gone.
They want you to leave, sir. They want you to leave the property.
Yeah, I called you to give me a ride home.
I can't give you a ride home. Go walk outside.
It's really good for you to give that advice.
They just...
I'm good.
They just...
I'm good.
Yeah, that's fine.
I'm good.
They just want you
I
off
know I'm good.
They just want you off
I
the
know I
property
said
tonight.
I'm good.
Okay.
I'm good.
How you gonna get home?
Don't worry about me. I'm good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. All right. Have a good night. All right, sir.
No. Respect.
Yeah. Cool.
No.
I'm on duty right now.
Hey, I'm on duty every f***ing day.
Cool.
I'm on duty every day.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right. Be safe. Have a good night. All right. Be safe, sir.
Yeah, fuck you. I love you. I love you.
Be safe.
I'm good.
Have a good night.
Don't worry, I'm good. You stand right here with me?
You gonna call a cab or you gonna
Yeah,
walk?
absolutely. You stand right here with me?
They just want you off the property, bro.
I said, you stand right here with me?
You're good. You just gotta go.
My guy, are you good with me?
I don't know what that means.
Not getting worried about getting shot.
I'm not worried about that right now.
Nah, me either.
You just gotta go home.
I said me either. So we're good.
Yeah, we're good.
Alright.
You're free to go. Have a good night.
My God.
You gonna call a cab? Call a cab. All right, go ahead. Leslie, you're free to go. We're done.
God.
You just gotta go.
My God, I did nothing wrong.
I know you did it.
Alright,
Like I said, you're free to go.
Hey, this is my guy. You're my guy.
If you give me your phone, I can help you with the Uber.
You're still my guy.
Can you open your app?
You're still my guy.
Just open Uber.
But you're still my guy.
I know.
I really serve you, you serve me.
Okay. If you open your phone,
I got you. I'll walk home. Really. You're my guy.
okay. Come on.
Stop touching me.
I'm sorry.
That's nice. Wait.
Go that way.
I'm over
Go
here.
that way.
I'm over here.
I don't care. Go that way.
No. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Go that way.
Come on. You gotta leave.
That's it.
Stop.
Do not listen.
Stop.
I'm not being patient
Stop.
with you.
You can be
Leave.
impatient with me all you
Oh
want.
my God, leave. Go. Go
Just get an
leave.
Uber. Have a good night, sir.
I got
Thank
you,
you, sir.
Have a good night.
I got you.
Be
Have a
safe.
good night.
Be safe.
I got you.
Have a good night. Stay blessed.
I love you guys.
Yeah.
Be safe.
Good night.
Thank you for keeping us safe.
Yep. Great. You too.
I really appreciate you. Whatever happened with that guy, you are my hero. When I walked in, his welcome to me was up here. Yeah. I'm like, oh my God.
No. We put him in the cab, and he got out. He's still over there. Want him trespass at this point?
What do you think I should do? I mean, I'm trying to be nice.
Yeah.
And not arrest him.
I know.
And not have you do paperwork.
I know, but if we don't trespass him at this point, there's no we can do.
Trespass.
All right, Lamont, they want you trespassed from the property. That means you come back, you're subject to arrest.
I'll walk out.
You're trespassed for a year.
I
You're gonna
said-
walk out?
Yeah, I'm
Oh,
good.
that's what we wanted from the beginning.
I said we're good.
Okay, so you're trespassed for a year. Don't come back for a year.
That's fine.
You come back, you're placed
That
under
is
arrest.
so fine.
You stay, you're gonna be placed under arrest.
That's so fine.
Have a good night, sir.
Thank you.
So
right,
start
have
walking
a good
that
night.
way.
All right, I'm calling Uber.
Okay, start walking that way.
There's nowhere.
Call
to go.
your Uber from the road.
Uber-
We did that already.
Go that
There's
way and
no-
call Uber.
We already did that.
Do you understand that if you were to come back, you will be arrested? You understand?
So if they don't take my money for a year, I'm arrested.
You can't come back. You cannot come back. You're banned from
Take
here.
my money for a year.
Yep.
I'm arrested.
Yep. So keep going. Go to the stop sign.
If you don't leave, I'm gonna 10-15 him. I've been real patient with you.
It'll be a waste of time to do that.
You gotta do it from the road.
Do it from over there.
I'm not
You gotta
walking
do it from over there.
I'm not walking to the road. We're gonna arrest me. I'm not walking to the road. I didn't do nothing. I'm coming over. You tell me what it is.
You gotta do it from over there.
I'm not calling.
You've been trespassed.
I'm not walking to that.
Gosh, the patience that officer has, man, is actually pretty good. Like, I'm not gonna lie, because I don't have that type of patience. Like, I'd much rather just, it's like you don't want to do the paperwork for something that you shouldn't have to do the paperwork for. Like, something like this is like, all right, you had too much to drink, go home, blah, blah, blah. That's how it should be. But it's like, we can't just deal with this guy all night, you know? And it's like, damn, you don't want to have to do paperwork, but it's like, he's pushing it to the point where it's like, you giving us no choice.
You can't stay on the property. You gotta do it from over there. There's no reason you can't do it from over there.
5 minutes.
Okay, go wait over there.
I'm not going.
Wait over there.
I'm not going. No disrespect. I'm not trying to be. I'm not trying to be.
Okay, not a problem. Just wait on your Uber, please.
Yes. And I'm the one that fucking protects you. Let's go. Laugh all you want to. Talk to Blinton, please.
About what? I don't know what you mean by that.
I hate Blinton.
How far is your Uber, Lamont?
It's 5 minutes.
5 minutes? Can you check? Just check for me.
Yes, sir.
Please.
Yes, sir.
No, I don't need to see it. Just tell me. You just tell me. You stay right there. So you didn't need to show me.
I know about 5 minutes. My guys, I'm with you. Stop fighting me. Stop fighting me. Please, I love you with all my heart.
Cool.
Let's go. Let's go. You are now on the front row lines of the entire world. You, you're the front line of the world. You thought you were talking shit. You thought y'all knew how, you know?
Man, I'm getting annoyed just watching this shit, man. Let's get them together. I'm sorry, we gotta get them together. Drunk or not, whatever. We gotta get you together because you not acting right. You not acting right. We gotta get you. We gotta. You know what I'm saying? You need a factory reset. You feel me? That's what I'm thinking in my head, because sitting here watching this, I give the cops credit. They got a lot of patience and stuff like that. But listen, it's time to hit that factory reset, man. We gotta. You out of tune. We gotta get you back tuned in.
The front line.
Oh yeah.
You are, Lisa.
Okay. Just give me. All right.
Sorry.
We're good. We did that already. Pick up your cigarettes. Pick up your cigarettes. Litter here.
Stop it. You cannot invest your money on me. Invest your money on them.
All right.
You understand? Just don't give me. I'm not that guy.
I can't tell.
Right,
Yeah,
go.
it's a fort.
Come on. Let's go.
Just get in your Uber. Just get in the Uber.
Give me a.
Come on,
shake.
get in the Uber.
Give me a fucking
I'm
shake.
not doing that. Get in the Uber.
Why would you not shake my
Uber.
hand?
Get in the Uber. Be safe. Have a good night.
Man, God bless you. Be safe.
No. All right, come on, get out.
It's all right. If he gets out again, doesn't go to the road, I'm sent to you.
All right.
I'll call another.
No, you can't do that. You got to go to the road.
You can't tell me
Go
what.
that way. Yes,
You
you can.
can't tell me what I can and
Leave.
cannot do.
Leave.
You got to leave the
Hey,
property.
get them-
You got to leave the property. Come on.
Okay. you
I've been
can't-
very patient with you. All right.
You can't tell.
Come
I'm
here.
walking. I'm walking.
here.
I'm walking.
Keep going.
Yeah, I'm going, but I'm calling the fucking.
Get off the property.
All right.
I'm calling the fucking Uber.
Keep going.
May I please
Keep going.
slow down and turn around and call my Uber?
Yeah, okay, that's fine.
Come on. Get
Walk
off
that
the
way.
property.
Walk that way.
I'm going.
Walk that way.
I'm calling my Uber.
Nope, walk that way.
I'm going.
Come on.
What do you want me to do?
Turn around. Just turn around.
Nope.
doing
I'm
it.
calling my Uber.
I'm doing it. Too late now.
I can't call my Uber. I'm walking out.
Yep.
Can I grab my phone?
Nope, you've been placed under arrest.
For what?
6 Bravo 1 3.
Can I call my Uber
Nope,
for what?
shut up.
Can I call my Uber for what?
Too late now.
1 black
For what? For what? You can arrest me. That's fine. Here's my phone.
About time.
Here's my
Jeez.
phone.
We'll get it for you. Don't worry about your phone. I'll pick it up for you.
Thank you. Give me my phone.
I'll get it for you in a second. I gotta make sure you're straight. I gotta make sure you're straight. That's all. I'll get your phone in a second. Don't worry about it.
Over here.
Yeah, that's it. You're gonna arrest me? Let's go.
You're under arrest now at this point.
For
Hey,
what?
listen, man.
what?
We've been very patient with you. Come on.
For what?
Come on. Let's go. Walk.
Let's go. Let's go. No, I
need
want to
you
go
to
to jail.
walk at my
I
pace.
want to go to jail.
Okay, perfect.
Put me in the car. Put me in the car. Ow.
Yeah, okay. You've been saying that all night. You gotta take it off. Stop
Nope.
it. Stop grabbing me.
Never.
You gotta take it off. Go
Never.
to jail.
Beat me. Stop. Beat me.
All right, whatever. I'll leave it on.
Beat me.
Stop it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Too grown to be acting like that, man. God damn.
You're gonna take it off.
It's
in jail.
property.
Hey, mine.
Yep. Let's go.
Come on.
Let's go.
Lamont, get in the car.
Go.
Get in the car, brother. Okay.
Get him right.
Do this shit again. Do the fuck.
All right, let's get him. Yeah, let's get him in the car. Get him in the car. Get him in the car.
Punch me again.
Woo!
Get in the car. Come on.
That black
Let's go.
cop not playing, boy. That's a big boy.
Come on.
And you know
Get
you
in
had
the
to
car.
get him
Come on.
right.
Get in the car, brother.
Pay attention, pay attention. You gonna see some motions. You gonna see some. Know what I'm saying? The other cop that's backed up, he don't get it. You know what I'm saying? The black cop shielded himself pretty well. But you gonna see him get them together though. And then you gonna see him flip them. Boom. Throw him in there. Watch. Crack him.
All right, let's get him.
Get him
let's
right.
Get him in the car. Get him in the car.
Punch me again.
2 cracks to the chest. Flip him.
Get
Throw him
the
in
car.
there.
Come on.
Pull
Let's
the other
go.
side. Pull him in.
That's a big boy. I ain't gonna lie. That cop is a big boy.
Get in the car. Come on.
Spit on me.
Military white male.
Where did you
Oh, he spit on him. That's why he got him together.
Lamont was charged with battery on an officer, trespassing, and obstruction without. The trespassing charge was dropped by the prosecutor. As of today, the case is ongoing.
He spit on him. That's why he had to get them together. Now that makes sense because you see the two shots to the chest. Boom, boom, cracked him. Whoop, flipped the. Oh yeah, that's a big boy, man. He must have been hanging out with them farm boys back in the day. Must have been flipping that hay with them boys. Yeah. That black cop ain't no joke. Well, I wouldn't fuck with him, boy. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, I think the cops did a good job. I think it dragged on way too long. So for me, I gotta give a 3. You know, I can't give more than that because it dragged on way too long. Like, way too long, you know? But anyways, let me know how well you think the officers did in the comment section below, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.